It's an absolutely wonderful opportunity for people to get together, to exchange ideas. It stimulated with me a lot of ideas on what we need to do to build a better Ireland and a better world. So I think these events are absolutely vital. And I think all of the people who attended from such a broad spectrum really felt it was beneficial to them. Great initiative, well done.
It was great to be here today. Really diverse panel, fantastic audience, lots of engagement actually on the wider issue of Irish unity, not merely the repealing of partition, but undoing of the conquest. How do we fulfil that process of national liberation? Where do we nurture the sites of struggle outside of parliamentary institutions? How do we build opportunities for political education and grow the consciousness of the working class as agents for change? All discussed here today. Really vibrant. Can't wait to do it again.
Yeah, I think that today really showed that there's a major role for normal, ordinary people, working class people, people who probably don't put themselves at the heart of political change, who think it's all about institutions and politicians like us, but actually it's about the everyday man, woman and child and how they engage with the changes that need to bring about a really a sincere, important new Ireland for the many, not for the few.